Can I know your name?
What is this for?
Just pretend I'm not here. Imagine I'm
What
invisible.
is it for though?
Or something I cannot tell you.
Well, then I can't tell you my name either.
Let's continue with... Good shot. Let's see the ID here.
Do you want us to smile?
Can I see your ID? The one you have in the middle? What's your name?
What is this for?
Can I know your name?
What is this for?
Just pretend I'm not here. Imagine I'm invisible.
What is it for though?
Or something I cannot tell you.
Well, then I can't tell you my name either.
Let's continue what you're doing. Pretend I'm not here.
Okay.
This is a good spot. This one is scared of the camera too. I don't get it. Oh, this is a good shot. A good shot here. Is there any way I could take a picture of the picture you have in the middle?
What is it for exactly? Like,
You don't mind if I could take a picture of that one?
what is it for though? What is it for?
Why do you want to know what it's for?
Why not? You recorded me. Would you just want me to record you without knowing?
You could record me. I'm not mad. I'll be happy.
Yeah? Not everyone's happy when they record them.
You gotta be happy about life.
I am.
If you're in film, why get mad about it? Can I take a picture of the one you have in the middle, the ID?
For what exactly? Can we know what it's for?
Hey, you let me take a picture. I'll let you know.
What if we get caught or something? Okay. Come on, just tell us.
You never seen a camera in your life? Can I ask you?
Nope.
You never seen people take pictures around everywhere, everything?
Not really.
So you don't see people walking around with cameras? But this is how it's supposed to be here, everyone. Just mind your own business like I'm not here. Simple as that. Not that hard, no? Everyone?
When you're done, can you tell us?
If she lets me take a picture of her ID, the one in the middle. Don't you want to be proud of who you are? Or
I am proud. What does me showing you my ID have to do with being proud?
no, it's nothing to hide.
No, I'm not hiding anything.
You have your ID displayed in public. It's nothing to hide. Can I see the other side? Let me get it. I'll tell you next time I walk around here. Next time.
I'm just curious to know, like, what project are you working on?
Next time.
Like, is there somewhere, like, do you have, like, an Instagram or, like, somewhere where we can see what you do?
Wait, let's see until it passes by. Do you work in this building?
No.
You're just students?
Yeah.
Or what may I ask?
We asked you a lot of stuff and you're not telling us, so you expect us to answer your questions.
There's nothing to hide. It doesn't matter where you work at.
No, we're not hiding. Exactly. You can tell us what you're doing. You don't want to tell us.
I'll tell you if you answer me that last question. Remember, be happy, smile, put a big smile on your face.
I'm smiling.
Mira, see, like, if you tell us,
Like your friend here, she's smiling at least. Smiling.
like, if you tell us, like, what this is for, like, you know, like, gladly, like, I'll tell you anything, like, I'll answer your question. So,
If you answer me this question, where do you work?
No.
Can I know?
I told you. I already
And
said
I'll
to take
tell
a
you,
picture.
I promise this time.
No.
Are you students or?
okay, so, here, okay, so we work for a nonprofit organization, and today what we're doing, we're just spreading information about the vaccine. So people that haven't been vaccinated, we can sign them up for, so they can make like an appointment with us. So it's like an easier process. And that's what we're doing today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, right now we're just taking our break. So, yeah. That's basically it.
You go around all the day promoting it?
Just for right now, for a couple months, I guess, like, they started doing it. We're just getting, like, the last of the people that haven't been vaccinated. So we get, like, houses or, like, our, like, where exactly the locations that people are not vaccinated at. And then we just go around and if they're home, if they're not home, or if we see people on the street, we go and, like, flyers, let them know about it. Kind of like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's good. If you were gonna attack me,
I was about to.
if you were gonna attack me or something, that's why I deal with Karens my entire life. And I gotta tell you, one lady attacked me for filming with a plate. I gave her a chance to not go to jail because she told me sorry. I felt not to send her to jail because she was gonna lose her job and go to jail. So she told me sorry. That's the things I have to deal with.
So you're just recording people's reactions of you recording them.
No, I'm recording you how you behave.
We're an experiment.
No, it's not an experiment.
Oh, okay.
This is what I do for years.
Okay.
It's good. It's good.